Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, on your Nintendo Switch, go to the Nintendo Switch online app and open it. Select the user you want to link the Nintendo account to, or just select the Add feature. Once selected, choose Sign In. You'll now continue by using another device like a phone, tablet, or computer. On that device, scan the QR code, and it will open the required web page to create a Nintendo account. You can then sign in using Google or Apple or manually enter your information, including nickname, email, password, date of birth, and region. Then check your email for a verification code, enter it, and confirm to complete your account creation. Now return to your Switch, select Quick Sign In, scan the QR code with your phone, and confirm the account link. So that's basically how you can make and link a Nintendo account to your Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks.